In this video, we will show you how to incorporate containers into your diagrams to keep everything neat and professional. Click on the symbol library icon on the left side of your screen. Next, scroll down to the bottom, where you'll find the Containers category. Here, you can choose between a vertical or horizontal swim lane container. Select your desired container, which will appear in your work area and be ready for customization. Now, let's modify your swim lanes. To resize, simply drag the corner squares to adjust the size. Double-click on the label text to edit the labels and type in your custom label. Need to add or remove rows and columns? Click on the container edges, then use the drop-down menu at the bottom to select the number of rows or columns you need. For a splash of color, click on the color swatches at the bottom bar to change the border and label colors to your liking. And finally, to keep everything nicely organized, click the Magnetize button, which locks the symbols inside your container. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.